Hey, sup guys, it's Ching Sariano here and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to show you how I came up with my Valentine's Day makeup look. This soft pink makeup look would be perfect on your upcoming date on the 14th. But if you are single just like me and don't have a date on Valentine's Day, don't you worry about it, girl. Just go and slay this makeup look and be sassy and cute on Valentine's Day. Start off by priming your face with Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. For foundation, I am using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless in the shade 120. For my under eye concealer, I am using my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 10. To set my liquid foundation and concealer, I am using my powder foundation from Santan. For my brows, I am using my all-time favorite Etude Drawing Eyebrow Pen in the shade Tree Brown. I'm also going to use a dark brown eyeshadow to fill in my brows. For my eyelids, I am going to use this very light pink shade from my Tree Palette Artistry collection. I'm going to apply this pink eyeshadow for the outer half part of my lids. Light champagne eyeshadow to highlight the center of my lids. For my outer crease, I am picking a dark eyeshadow to give depth and dimension. Highlight my brow bone using this light eyeshadow. I am picking this white eyeshadow for my tear duct or for the inner corners of my eyes. For this look, I am going to use my Fashion 21 liquid eyeliner in black. Falsies time! I am using this eyelash adhesive waterproof to glue my Taiwan falsies in the number 218. For mascara, I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. For my nose contour, I am using this dark brown eyeshadow. Again, I am going to use this color to highlight my nose bridge. For my bronzer, blush, and highlight, I am going to use this set that came from my 3 palette artistry collection. For my base lipstick, I am using this one from Maybelline in the number 685. I'm going to top that lipstick using this Revlon lipstick from Japan in the number 204.